Next comes the main objective is increasing sales. And how sales will increase? How sales will increase? If you are aware of something. So see how our mind works, how our mind works. When I showcase one product for the first time, you will not believe it. So what this guy is saying, I don't know this guy, and he just showcasing the product. I don't know the quality of product. But again, repeatedly, like I will give you the example on the Facebook, you see lot many ads. But you might be following some of the digital marketers who are just showcasing their services on the digital platform through Facebook ads, through Google ads, and therefore you click. And over the period of time, as you see again and again, you start generating interest, and you start actually faith in that particular ad, and you think back of the mind that yes, now they are really genuine people and their product is also genuine. So basically looking at one ad will not give you sales. So it is the authenticity, and how that authenticity will happen. So that is the second phase in objective, that you need to create your brand. And branding, that means what? That creating the awareness, keeping touch with people, again and again showcasing your products and your services to the end consumer. And we can take example of educational institutes also. Byju's, Akash, they are doing numerous ad campaigns, and therefore as we see it again and again, as we listen to those ads again and again, our internal system starts believing in that, and again we keep faith, and then we take the decision. At the same time, this is all about services, but when we talk about product, so we can take a Coca-Cola example. So they actually do lot of awareness campaigns. So we can see lot many ads. So they are creating the awareness. So while creating awareness, sell wouldn't happen. But on the back of the mind, one image is created in consumer's mind, and slowly and steadily it will promote consumer to buy that particular product. So these are three important objectives. If you have product, you need to sell it. And if you want to sell it, you need to do branding and awareness. So now let's move on. So let's move on to the next. So what is exactly marketing? So there are different segments to the marketing. So let's have first look at the marketing entities. Now basically, what is involved in marketing? So first of all, if you have any product or any service, then you need a marketing. Because if you will not create awareness, if you will not showcase that product to the end consumer, then you are not able to sell it. So earlier, like in traditional marketing, whenever people are doing business, they worked on quality structure. And what was the mindset? That I am the best person. Okay, I am the best person. I am producing this product. I have just created this product which is wonderful, and it will really be helpful, and that confidence he has. So from that mindset, he never used to showcase his product. What he thought, that people will directly come to me, searching me by just word of mouth publicity and referrals. Yes, that is the traditional way. If you have very good product, then definitely people will get attracted to your product and they will buy it. But that is a traditional trend, and that is a different era of doing business. But nowadays, even if you have the best product and you will not do marketing, you will not survive in this market. So that mindset needs to be changed. That mindset needs to be changed. So if you have the marketing entity, goods or services, accordingly, you need to promote it. The next is that information. Now how? So if you have any product like Coke, then you need to showcase it. If you have any service like coaching classes business of Byju's or Akash, they will just actually promote through some video ads or by showcasing some results. So this is a one type of promotion which will be done by goods and services or product and services which you are selling. The second way, the second very important entity is giving information about your product. Like immediately people will not purchase, even if you have best quality product, why it is best. That awareness you need to create among the people. And therefore you will write blogs, you will create online presence, you will create some short clips on the YouTube channel, and you will show some case studies so related to that product. And best example we can take of your Quora also. So Quora.com, basically we can write related answers to the questions which actually people has. If some people has doubt, so our product is serving the need, and so related to that need, whatever doubt customer is having, those doubts we will collect into questions and answers. And whenever they have those doubts, they will go to Quora, read our article, and they will feel like, yes, 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 this is what I am looking for. And therefore, in the similar way that information works. So information is the second important entity. First, you need to showcase your product or service. Second, you must start creating awareness by providing information through different digital platforms. The next is, now see, the places also. Now again, here is the segmentation. Now places is the third entity, that in which place you want to sell, in which area, in which vicinity, in which demographics you want to sell your product. And therefore that demographics also you need to identify. And the best example is the tourism. Like suppose for tourism, we want to reach one destination and we want to take people to that particular destination, then definitely we will promote places. So the similar kind of product, if you have, like we have the tourism, and therefore we need to basically promote the places, the beautiful things at those destinations, everything we need to promote. And therefore place is also the third entity in marketing that you should consider while doing marketing. Next one, a very important aspect, which are people. Now who is going to buy our product? Definitely people are going to buy our product. So whether all Indians will buy our one product, it will not happen. So you need to do the segmentation. You need to do the segmentation. So segmentation is what? Exactly which category of people, which age people, and which interest people will purchase my product. So you need to brainstorm in the back end. And by brainstorming, you need to create customer persona. Now, customer persona in digital marketing trend is very, very important nowadays, because you need to understand your customer well, how your customer behaves online, how your customer behaves offline, what are actually what are the benefits he is looking into. And therefore segmenting people and creating different segment will work for your marketing thing. And therefore understanding the people, understanding the customer persona is very, very important entity while doing the marketing. And before you start marketing, you must have awareness of all these aspects. The next important, events. Now suppose you want to showcase through the event. So there is one orchestra which is organized. How people will understand that there is one orchestra and you need to buy the ticket? So again, that promotion will take place through the events. And again, nowadays, a lot many event campaigns are conducted through the digital marketing also, and via traditional marketing, that is offline marketing also. So that people become aware about that is also one product. Executing one event, that event is also one product which you want to sell, so that people should buy your ticket. So event is the next entity. The next one is, once again, organization and business. Now you will think, now how organization only doing the business, they are only creating product, then how they will become the entity? So as I told you, there are two structures. One is B2C, that is business to customer, and second one is B2B, business to business. Whether you are selling services to other business, like mine is the digital. Now see, mine is the skill training institute. So I'm doing, actually selling my courses to the end customer or end student. So that is B2C model. But when I talk about digital marketing and IT services company, there I am selling my services to another company which has that particular need. So I am selling my business, my product to another business. So another business is also, business is also one type of entities. And while considering marketing, you need to think about all these aspects and all these entities in detail. You should actually deep dive and brainstorm and list down, and then only you can set a very good marketing funnel. Okay, thank you so much. So let's move on. So the next part now, so the what is the note? Understand here, even if we are doing all the analysis, the ultimate objective is to generate sales. But there are different ways to achieve that objective. If you want to sell and we will do advertise and our product will getting sold, it will not happen. And therefore, marketing nowadays is too complex. Just by doing one methodology, you can't sell your product. And you have to be alert. Now, in earlier days, during the traditional era, basically people have the product, but there is no comparison because people do not have access to multiple products. So there were no competition, and therefore they are able to, even if product is not of that quality, people are able to sell it. But now there are hundreds of competitors around. And basically, if you want to really sell your product, then you must do your homework about all the marketing entities and how you can promote your product, how this product is helpful to all the marketing entities.